Hi everyone, it's Kristi. I am here with an unboxing today. Um, I don't get a lot of subscription boxes or anything like that, but I saw this on YouTube and I thought it would be fun. And I have to admit, I already opened it. Um, Everything comes all nice wrapped in tissue, and but when I saw the first item, I got a little excited. Um, As you know, I've been working on the Butterfly Delight Journal, and the next journal I'm going to work on is going to be Alice in Wonderland, the little mini journal. So when I opened this box, that's kind of a spoiler, I was really excited. So anyway, this is Your Creative Studio, and it's in New York, but I think it's on the Canada. It said Niagara Falls, New York, but the prices were in Canadian, so I'm not sure. Anyway, it was 35 Canadian, and I think it came out to 28 US dollars. So anyway, I was excited when I saw what was inside, so I want to share with you. The first thing was this Record Your Life Special Day. Are you ready for a night's date? It's a 30-sheet notebook, and it has little places that you can type date where, with who, and then write your little memo. So I thought that was really cute. There is a couple of things of washi tape. This one is some little swirly doodles. I don't buy a lot of washi tape. I have about 3 rolls of washi tape, so it'll be interesting. This one, however, I think I will use. Let me see if I can open this so you can see what it is. It's teacup and saucer, bouquet of flowers, looks like a journal, another basket of flowers, a watch, some cards, another bouquet of flowers, key, flowers, and I guess we're back to the cup and saucer. So I think those are going to come in very handy for my Alice journal. So let's see if I can get this wound back up without messing it up. I think that's cool washi tape. Nope, it went crooked, of course, but that's okay. I am definitely going to be using those. And there's quite a bit on there. That's at least 1/4 of an inch. So, okay, and the next thing is, and this says Your Creative Studio, so I don't know if Amanda makes these or what, but is a sheet of Alice stickers. Let me fold that box back. I want to make sure that's not in your face. There's Alice and the rabbit. Looks like the, what is that guy anyway? The caterpillar. And the Mad Hatter, the Queen. I don't know, what is that? Tweedledee and Tweedledum. I have never seen Alice in Wonderland, the movie. I have never read the book. Somebody posted on Facebook yesterday, what was one childhood movie that freaked you out? This is the one. Never actually been a fan of it until recently when I've seen people making the Alice in Wonderland journal. So I may have to revisit before I do this journal, but those are cool. Okay, and then this says Alice .03 Quartet stamps, and this is looks like Alice with the rabbit and maybe a speech bubble, and the Cheshire Cat, it says let's smile, let's laugh. I'm not sure if that's the knave, and Alice with a bunch of cards being flung at her. But these are our wood mount nice stamps, so those will come in handy. Nice case too. Okay, and then let's see, This is Fantasy Chapter Party Note for Memo. Okay, so this has, these are just memo sheets, but there's the watch and the rabbit and looks like a mustache or something. So those will come in handy as well. And there's a whole 30 of those. Let's see, what else have we got? Here's some stickers. Let's see if I can get the box open without destroying it. Looks like birds and, but there's some watches in there. Get out. And there's a couple stuck in there I can't get out. There they go. Okay, so there's flowers, ship's wheel, there's some envelopes, looks like a lamp, some cogs and a clock or watch, key, another little bunch of flowers there. There's a typewriter. These are some neat little, I think they're stickers. So some more gears and a couple butterflies in there. Post mailbox, teacup and saucers, feathers. So yeah, these will come in handy. This whole box, it's as if they knew I was going to be doing the Alice journal next. So let's see what's in here. Vintage tags. See if I can get that out. Okay, so these, you know, let me move this box. Should have done that to begin with. These are some craft, looks like craft tags, excuse me, that have some birds and bird cages. I don't know if you can see that. They're very, very dark. Mushrooms, some cranes, some more birds, some botanicals, the bird cage, crowns. There's a bunny rabbit, a little kitty. That looks like my kitty. Yeah, so there's a lot of fun tags in here. I will definitely be using those, whether it's in this journal or another journal. Looks like there's a few different shapes. Some are pointed, some are scalloped. So, okay, and then these also these have a hole in the top as well. I don't know if you can see that, but these, you can see these better. These are the same pictures that are on the card, craft card, but you can see these better. Those are pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. We have robins in our backyard sometimes, and I love to watch them out there. Ooh, that, I like that. Oh, it's a doorknob. And another little bunny rabbit. Quite a bit in here. And, ooh, that's pretty. Nice. I hope you guys can see these. Oh, that's cute. So that is what's in here. Vintage tags. That's a stuffed box. Okay. And what else? We've got some more fun stickers, it says. These look like animal stickers. 8 designs. These are those vellum stickers. So let's see. There's some kitties. Looks like a mountain goat of some sort. a little bird with a tray, basket of fruit. Can't really tell what all of them are. They're so small. There's a St. Bernard. I probably have them upside down too. More kitties. Looks like they're getting married. There's a bunny rabbit. Looks like this one's like a crow. And another basket of fruit. So those are kind of cool. Alright. And there's another pack of stickers. All this stuff looks like it came from China. So, but it's a nice little theme box. Would take me forever to find that. It says 20 sheets, but I think it means 20 stickers. So I was going to try and put that on there so you could see better, but there's flowers, butterfly, it says antique collection, feathers, rose. The gold is a little funky on the butterflies, but other than that, I just dropped everything. Kind of cool. I will use those. Okay. It's another pack of vellum stickers. Let's see if I can get those all out. You might be able to see better on the card than on the stickers. There's the card that shows what's inside. Actually, that doesn't show everything that's inside, because there's a little robin. This one says it's summertime. This is kind of a mix. A little vase of flowers. More flowers. There's some butterflies on that one. Bouquet of flowers with butterflies. There's a little bird. The bouquet. Some looks like lavender. Roses. Butterfly and flowers. More butterflies and flowers. Looks like all the floral have butterflies in them. A little owl, he's cute. And another bouquet. Well, it's not called a bouquet, whatever it's called. A little spray. Is it called a spray? There's some purple and blue. Looks like they've covered the gamut of color here. Another little birdie. And I don't know, is this supposed to be a fox or a groundhog? The ears are kind of throwing me for a loop, but the ladybug and the butterfly. Here's the little botanical with a crane and a frog. Here's some pansies. I don't know what these are called. I've seen those a lot though. Another one of those, some daisies. I'm not really good at naming the flowers. I think those are lilies though. Pretty. Oh, I like those purple ones. Those are pretty. Some pink and purple. These look tropical. And then there's some more purple ones. So that's neat. And the last thing that was in the box is well, I guess these are 6 by 6, just 5 pieces of 6 by 6 one-sided card. Well, that one matches those other stickers with the keys and the gears, and so yeah, that's it. Hey, I'd like your opinion. Do you think this is worth $35 Canadian or $28 American? I don't know, because I don't buy an awful lot at craft stores and such. I usually try to get things on special. But do you think that this collection is worth the subscription? I would love to know what you think in the box below. For this point in time and for my upcoming journal, I'm excited to have this kit, but I'm not sure whether I would continue or not. I do not buy wood mount stamps very often. I will use the washi. I probably won't use this one. I will use the tags. I'm not sure about the stickers. Anything that has flowers on it will get used, but I don't use a lot of animals except for in my upcoming journal. So let me know what you think. I'd be interested in hearing your thoughts, and if you are interested, then go check out your creative studio. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.